A few days ago I was watching a food video on YouTube, then suddenly I felt hungry, so I decided to make a chocolate chip cookie. Before you make this cookie, you want to make brown butter first. It's actually quite easy to make it. You just heat the butter under low heat until you can see milk solids forming at the bottom. After you've cooled down the brown butter, you want to take a large bowl and put the brown butter inside it. And we're going to take Castor sugar and brown sugar and mix it until it's combined like this. After that, you want to take 1 egg and then we're going to mix it again until it's combined. And then we're going to take vanilla essence, salt and baking soda. And then mix it again until it's well combined. And then we're going to take wheat flour and the dark chocolate chip. And then for the last time we're going to mix it until everything is well combined. And for the last step, you're just going to put the cookie dough on the baking tray using an ice cream scoop. And then you just put it in the oven.